Okay, my phone's at 1%, so I don't know how. I don't know how I'm gonna get this done, and I might have to charge my phone. But good thing I have a charger, and I'll get into that. So we're gonna be installing a dash cam onto my car. So the dash cam, it's gonna sit like around like here inside the car, and then this way, if anything happens, or if I just want to record some stuff of like crazy drivers, because there's crazy drivers out there, I can. And like 2 cars put out in front of me today, leaving my school. So yeah, it's like $19 at Walmart. It's the Black Web one. It has this little cord, but the reason why I have the power brick is because my car is really old. Well, it's not that old. It's 13 years old, but the power cord jack thing doesn't work. So I have to run this. So let me plug this in, and I'll show you how this works. So how this is gonna work, and then we just have to mount it into the car. And the mounting stuff's in here, but let me just turn the camera off and plug this in, and then show you how it works. We have the power brick, and then as you notice, this thing is on and it's recording. So I wonder if I can yeah, it's recording me. So yeah. But then we get them. So that's the power of it, since my charger doesn't work. And then we have the actual car charger, and then we have the suction cup mount. So the suction cup mount mounts up, and then you put the camera on there, and then here's the other cord thingy majigger. I don't know what this is for. I think this might be to charge this. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to put the mount up in the car, and then we're going to mount it, and then we're going to mount this, and should be good. I'll catch everybody that pulls out in front of me. So yeah, and it has the SD card, micro SD card, so that's how you get the footage. So yeah, so I'm going to mount this right there. Okay guys, so I'm in the car, and it's just a suction cup. So you just do that, and then it can be removed. And then I'm not gonna remove it because I already placed it. But then you push this in, it's kind of tight, and it's a suction cup, and it holds it. And then you got your camera, and you can take pictures of yourself. So yeah, and then I gotta mount this right up here. Okay guys, I hope this video helps you out. I'm gonna tell us how to make it wirelessly, because that's what we're virtually doing. We're virtually making it wireless with the power pack. And so hopefully this helps you guys put this in your own car, and God forbid if there is an accident, it does give you a lot of video proof. And a lot of drivers don't run these, and it's a $20 mod. So it's $20. So just get it, and then if anything happens, you have video proof. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'm Russell with a black V6 Mustang. I'll see y'all later.